Hello everyone, it's Jay here and I'm thrilled to welcome you to today's cooking adventure. As we embrace the warmth of the summer sun, there's no better time to fire up our griddles and dive into some exciting culinary creations. Summer is not just about the sizzling sun, it's about sizzling flavors that we can bring to life on our griddle. Today I'm going to introduce you to the vibrant world of creative griddle cooking. We'll explore how this versatile tool can transform simple ingredients into spectacular summer meals. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef, get ready to elevate your cooking game and impress at your next summer gathering. Let's kick things off with a crowd-pleaser griddled pizza. Starting with the dough, you want something that can handle the direct heat of the griddle. I'll guide you through preparing a robust dough that crisps beautifully. Knead your dough until it's smooth and elastic. This is crucial for that perfect crust. Now let's talk toppings. For summer, think light and fresh. Perhaps some sun-dried tomatoes, fresh basil, and a drizzle of olive oil. Once your toppings are ready, it's time to heat the griddle. A medium-high setting simulates the intense heat of a traditional pizza oven. Lay your dough flat on the griddle, add your toppings, and close the lid if you have one. This creates an oven-like environment that melts the cheese perfectly and crisps the crust. Next up, we're turning breakfast into a griddle extravaganza with a hearty breakfast hash. You'll need potatoes, onions, peppers, and your choice of protein. Bacon and sausages work wonderfully. Start by par-cooking your potatoes. They should be just tender before they hit the griddle to ensure a crispy finish. On a well-oiled griddle, cook your proteins until they're golden and crispy, then set them aside. In the same griddle, add your potatoes, cooking until they're golden brown. Follow with onions and peppers and let them soften and mingle with those lovely meaty flavors. Finally, chop your cooked proteins and toss them back onto the griddle. Mix everything thoroughly and top with a sprinkle of fresh herbs for that burst of flavor. Serve directly from the griddle for that perfect rustic touch. Moving on to something sweet dessert, crepes. These thin, delicate pancakes are perfect for a light summer treat. Start with a simple batter: eggs, flour, milk, and a pinch of salt. The key to perfect crepes is the consistency of the batter. It should be liquid enough to spread thinly across your heated griddle. Pour a small amount onto the hot surface, then quickly tilt the griddle to spread the batter evenly. As it cooks, the edges will start to lift. That's your cue to flip. Fill your crepes with sweet indulgences like chocolate hazelnut spread, fresh berries, or a squeeze of lemon and a dusting of sugar. Roll them up and serve with a dollop of whipped cream for an irresistible finish. Finally, let's sharpen your griddle skills with some essential tips and tricks. Maintaining your griddle ensures it performs well and lasts a long time. After each use, let it cool slightly, then scrape off any food residue. Regularly seasoning your griddle is also crucial. It helps create a non-stick surface and adds flavor to your dishes. When cooking, control the temperature carefully. Different dishes require different heat levels. For instance, crepes need a gentle heat to avoid burning, while steaks demand high heat for that perfect sear. Experiment with these tips, and you'll find that your griddle can handle a vast array of dishes, elevating your summer cooking to new heights. And there you have it, a feast of griddle recipes to make your summer cooking both fun and fabulous. We've journeyed from savory pizzas and hearty hashes to sweet, sumptuous crepes. Remember, these recipes are just a starting point. I encourage you to toss in your favorite ingredients and experiment with flavors. Cooking is about creativity, and the griddle is your canvas. If you've tried any of these dishes or have griddle tips of your own, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious adventures. Here's to a sizzling summer. Keep the flame alive and keep cooking.